All right, I'm back out here on the metrics target. I had a question about the time standard for a duty trigger. It's the same thing. So we have a Glock here set up, the stock Glock trigger and a New York 1 trigger spring for that nasty 8-pound trigger pull. Again, running a level 3 holster here, and let's get moving. And you know what? Let's count that out. It's ugly. It's ugly. I don't like it. Math. So what this result tells me is that I'm getting by with the totality of my shooting skill set, but it also shows that I have some glaring issues to work on. I had a bad mag fumble here, and I'm pushing right with my weak hand and left with my strong hand, which is actually one of the beautiful things of running a bad trigger, as it brings our flaws to light. So because of this, I'm going to be spending extra time on my one-handed shooting in dry fire and during this range session. That's why I'm running the metrics test. Get out there, give it a shot, guys.
Do it.